Any student who is enthusiastic about engineering always wants to do a multidisciplinary project. When I walked into the institute, I found this opportunity which was very fascinating. I wanted to participate in the competition by Elon Musk, and that was started at SpaceX. So I started a team called Avishkar Hyperloop. I never knew it will grow this big today.
Hi, I'm Kishan. I'm co-heading Team Avishkar Hyperloop this year. From my childhood, I have been very interested into space technology, and when I came to IIT Madras, by that time I was also a big fan of Elon Musk. So Avishkar had put out applications for their first members in my first semester, and I didn't hesitate to apply to be a part of the team. Unfortunately, I got rejected, but in my next semester, I tried again and I got in.
Hi, I'm Neil and I'm currently heading the team Avishkar Hyperloop. I've learned a lot of things throughout my tenure at Avishkar Hyperloop because whatever kind of doubt you have, however silly it might be, you can always reach out to other team members, fellow team members and seniors with your questions, and they'll always take time out of the schedule and explain you the concept in the easiest way possible.
So Avishkar Hyperloop, had a very interesting journey from the beginning. In the first iteration or the first generation of Avishkar Hyperloop was all about conceptualizing the pod, understanding the literature behind Hyperloop. So one problem was to convince people that Hyperloop is real, Hyperloop is coming into existence, and other things like when people don't believe you, they can't fund you, and we have to do everything in only 3 months. So one of the biggest challenges that I think we had was to procure components from abroad. And of course, at the same time, we had to lay down a lot of infrastructure in place, building test setups, building tracks for small things.
Before I joined the team had a bit ambitious goals, and we couldn't reach the finals of SpaceX Hyperloop because of that. But in the next year, Suyash decided to take a step back and try to develop something that is reachable while researching on innovative technologies on the side. This helped us reach to the finals of SpaceX Hyperloop pod competition in 2019.
It was a very proud moment for the team representing IIT Madras and India at a global level. With that experience, there were a lot of learnings that came in, and since then we have started working on our weaknesses and we've improved upon them significantly. Along with that, we have also kept our strengths intact and we have been making them even stronger.
2.0, which actually went to SpaceX for the Hyperloop pod competition, laid down the foundation for everyone ahead. And that was an exciting, iteration of Avishkar Hyperloop, where we learned about manufacturing, procurement, sponsorships, and a lot of other things. So once we had that foundation, in 3rd generation and 4th generation of the Hyperloop team, they all thought to attempt all the ambitious technologies which can go into Hyperloop pods.
After performing well at the SpaceX competition in 2019, we were all pumped up to do an even better job for the next competition. But unfortunately, the SpaceX competition got cancelled afterwards. And a few months later, the COVID pandemic struck the world, because of which the team had to go back to their homes and all the research and pod development stopped.
The team was inactive for 4 to 5 months because of COVID-19 pandemic, and we sort of had to go through a rebuilding phase where we recruited a lot of new team members. All the team members had to work from home, and initially it was very difficult to manage that. But after a point of time, we did figure out how to manage that by having a lot of meetings and brainstorming sessions, and the whole design process was carried out virtually.
Later on, we found out that European Hyperloop Week was organizing a competition. Being a team that works on a hands-on project like this, it was very difficult to develop the pod from home. This is where the Institute IIT Madras came in and supported us by allowing us to come back to campus safely and continue the manufacturing and testing of the pod. Coming back to campus, the team had to go into quarantine for 14 days. But by the time the quarantine ended, the second wave of COVID-19 came. Because of this, the manufacturing and procurement of the pod was halted for one more month.
Because of the second wave, prioritizing the safety of our team members and considering the travel restrictions due to COVID-19, we decided to participate in the competition virtually.
Having a highly motivated team who wants to take the Hyperloop technology forward, we decided to implement many new technologies. This year on pod we have contactless propulsion through a linear induction motor, contactless braking through eddy current braking, and in-house inverter, semi-active suspension, and many more upgrades. We also have a new levitation mechanism that we are working parallelly. These technologies are a lot more scalable and closer to a full-scale Hyperloop pod, something that we are trying to achieve since the first year of the team.
Once the lockdown ended, the manufacturing and the testing phase started at the full pace. Everyone was very enthusiastic and they worked day and night tirelessly to make this happen. How much time is it taking between like point?
Character only, bro.
One second.
Retracted.
Where is multimeter?
Recharge on again. There was some error in the process, maybe.
So after the successful run of Hyperloop Pod, people and everyone, even me, I'm seeing and celebrating the run of the pod. But a lot has gone into building the pod. Like it has been 3 years, where we have tested, we have designed, we have done multiple iterations to build LIM, linear induction motors. And we should not forget about one very, very important aspect here, that this is the first ever linear induction motor built on top of a Hyperloop pod in India.
Watching our first pod run of our latest pod was definitely very exciting, but it was the expression of feeling and joy on the faces of our team members that made the moment complete.
Seeing the pod run today, I think I can say on behalf of all the members of Avishkar 1.0 and 2.0 that it was a moment of dream come true for me and for all of us.
The best moment for me was getting to see the real GUI run the data when it was getting uploaded, the speed graphs. I felt satisfied.
Being the only girl here, I never felt left out. Feels great to be a part of such an amazing team.
Whenever I walked into C5, I could always be assured that something extremely intriguing is going on. Someone is doing some very good thing that I can learn from.
Avishkar has a very good future. I have seen very good people here who are very much willing to work on new technologies and things. So basically I feel like nothing is impossible for Avishkar. We can make whatever we want.
I hope that one day when I'll be traveling with my children in a Hyperloop pod, I would be able to tell them that I was one of the few people who helped shape it in India.
We also showcased our latest marvel to an esteemed audience who had representation from industry and academia. We had the director and deans of IIT Madras, our sponsors, and other industry leaders who were all really excited about our technology and momentum.
The team started out as a competition team, but the overall aim of the team has always been to develop scalable technologies. This year the team has been working on developing a cost-effective tube infrastructure, and we aim to develop a tabletop prototype for the same in the next few months. Team Avishkar aims to be a part of the development journey for India's first Hyperloop.
We believe that Hyperloop is the fifth mode of transportation that will meet sustainable requirements of the future. Team Avishkar wishes to create a platform for Hyperloop development in India. Having developed a completely new pod with so many new technologies was definitely one of the greatest achievements of the team. This journey has been very difficult with lots of ups and downs. The team has grown a lot in the past 1 year. We are ready for our future endeavors.